Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by opening the project folder and locating the corrupted FLP plus any backups or autosaves. Once found, copy everything to a safe working folder so you won't overwrite originals. Make a list of plugins and the FL Studio version used. Mismatched plugins often cause load failures. Then launch FL Studio in safe mode or with plugin bridging disabled to prevent crashes while you attempt recovery. Next, attempt structured recovery. Open FL Studio's recover projects or use file open recent to catch autosave states. If that fails, duplicate the FLP and rename the copy to zip, then extract to inspect patterns, sampler data, and playlist XMLs. Once you see XML or PATs, salvage channel and pattern files and re-import them. If plugins are missing, create inactive replacement channels so project skeleton loads. This preserves routing and tempo information while you rebuild sounds. Finally, create a new FL Studio project and import the salvaged XML, patterns, and samples. Recreate mixer routing and reassign plugin instances gradually. Export audio stems and MIDI now so you retain performance even if reconstruction continues. Once complete, save incremental versions and a zip of the whole project. If problems persist, try opening the original copy on another machine or a different FL version. Mismatched plugin versions or project settings are the most common remaining causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.